Today, let's talk about something groundbreaking in the world of AI. You have probably heard of tools like ChatGPT, amazing for holding conversations, generating creative content, and helping with everyday tasks. But now there's a new name creating a buzz, Deepseek. What makes it so special? Let's find out through some unique examples. So, what exactly is DeepSeek? It's like an AI detective sifting through massive amounts of information to uncover hidden gems. Imagine you are a researcher working on climate change. Instead of simply pulling articles or data sets, DeepSeek can analyze temperature trends, link them to deforestation rate, and even highlight lesser known factors influencing global warming. And because of its unique approach, DeepSeek is already competing with tools like ChatGPT. Well, ChatGPT is fantastic for conversations and creating tasks like drafting emails, creating stories, or coding small scripts. DeepSeek is designed for exploration. Imagine yourself in finance analyzing market behavior. DeepSeek can dive into years of historical data, spot emerging patterns in stock movements, and suggest investments that align with those trends, all while considering real-time global events such as policy changes or economic fluctuations. That's a next level intelligence. Now let's talk about real-world applications. Take healthcare. For example, a doctor could use DeepSeek to analyze patient histories, cross reference symptoms with millions of medical studies, and recommend treatments tailored to individual genetic profiles. Or imagine a business leader trying to forecast trends in consumer behavior. DeepSeek can pull data from sales reports, social media trends, and even competitor strategies to provide actionable insights. It's like having a team of experts working behind the scenes. Here's another example in legal research. Lawyers often spend hours or even days digging through case law to build arguments. DeepSeek could instantly analyze thousands of cases, pull relevant precedents, and even predict outcomes based on previous rulings. Think about how much time and effort that could save. The best part, DeepSeek isn't just about answering questions. As industries become more complex and data driven, tools like DeepSeek are paving way for the future. It's not just an assistant, it's an explorer, a problem solver, and an insight generator all rolled into one. So, if you are excited about where AI is heading, keep an eye on DeepSeek. It's not just about finding answers, it's about uncovering the right answers and transforming the way we understand the world around us. The future is looking pretty deep, don't you think?